which means we are heading into the summer. And as always here in Ibiza, many changes happen before the summer starts, and especially this year because the island has been on pause for the last 2 years. There's certainly a big buzz in the air, lots of hotels, bars, restaurants, even the clubs are planning to open early, and some of them already are. So in this vlog, I just thought I would give you a quick progress report of what has been happening in preparation for you guys arriving in Ibiza 2022. Okay guys, to start off with, I'm in San Antonio Bay, and for reference, just behind me you have the Pink Paradiso Hotel, and the first place I want to show you is here. That's the old tavern, if anybody knows that one, and you can hear the noise going on now for the renovation. Is this place, it used to be known as Sergeant Pepper's 2, and now it's going to be changed into an Irish bar called the Irish Bay. This is one of the places that's already open now. It's called The Kitchen. I haven't actually been there myself, but heard very good things about it, and that has a reputation for gourmet burgers, as does this next place. That is called Johnny's. It's had a bit of a refurbishment over the last few years. It did only open this weekend, and they've been painting it outside, and I can highly recommend the burgers there. And then we have Plastic, which I'm sure many of you know this. It's one of the most popular and busy bars in the Bay. Plastic started off in the West End, then it moved to close to the Egg, and then at the start of last summer, I believe it was, it moved here into the Bay, and that used to be known as BN3 for a few years before that. As I'm just walking back to my car, I will mention the hotels that are in this area just to give you a bit of a reference. So we have the Hotel Riviera, which is up here, the Playa Bella, just that side, and then you have the beach on the next road there, the Amari. What else do we have? Even further up, just 15-20 minutes walk maximum, you have the huge Hotel Seaview and the Aura. So all of this is within easy reach. Down there is the Beach Star, and then the Amari beyond that. Okay guys, Ibiza Top is on. We're now here just outside the stadium, just managed to park up. The stadium itself is just outside of Ibiza town and Playa d'Embossa. I put the location in the description below for you. Today Ibiza are playing Huesca, which is a team in the north centre of Spain, just above Zaragoza. The teams are 8th and 9th in the league, so it's going to be a tight game. Hopefully Ibiza will win. Let's go check it out. 2-1 to Ibiza, excellent result. Inside you still have to wear your masks, a little bit strange, but hopefully that will change soon. Non-alcoholic beer, €3, that was pretty good. The ticket, €25. You also had the chance of a €20 ticket for the other stand. And the attendance today was 4,200, so that's quite a few people. So yeah, if you are here in Ibiza, you're a footy fan and you want something to do other than party, go to the beach, check out the website and see if they're playing when you're on holiday. This is where I was supposed to come yesterday afternoon after San Antonio Bay before getting a little bit sidetracked heading to the football, but I really enjoyed that. I hope you did as well. As I say, some of you have mentioned to me if I could do a vlog there, so hopefully that has ticked that one off the list. Yeah, here I am at O Beach. As you just saw, they have the new signs going up. While I'm here actually, I just want to show you this place, which is directly opposite from O Beach. That place is called Sibo, and if ever you're coming over to this part of Ibiza, always stop off there first for a drink before you go into O Beach. Obviously it's a lot cheaper, local prices, and also they have started to do menus of the day for €8.50, and I think that's going to continue through the summer, so definitely worth doing. Every winter in Ibiza always sees lots of construction work go in, because as of the 1st of May, I believe it is, that heavy construction can't continue when you guys, the tourists, get here. The last 2 years have seen some of the biggest hotels in San Antonio undergo a major refurb, and this is one of them. So the hotel behind me is the Piscis Park. I'm sure many of you know that. Many of you have stayed here before. I have. It was one of the first hotels I stayed in when I came away on holiday to Ibiza way back in 1999 with some of my friends. But yeah, it's been totally refurbed. It's been more than 2 years in the process, and it is due to be ready for this summer, but they still have a long way to go by the look of it. Behind me, the famous egg roundabout. It is quite quiet today, but it is a Sunday while I'm out and about, so not too much traffic. Behind me you can see Flaherty's Irish Bar, and they are due to open the doors on the 1st of April. We're now in the Cala area of San Antonio, and it's actually just starting to rain. That was unexpected. And we are outside what is perhaps the largest construction project that San Antonio is seeing, and that is the Hotel Tanit. This one is going to be renamed the TRS Ibiza. It's going to be a 5-star, adults only, all-inclusive, and I had a quick look online, and you can actually book this from the 6th of May, so we're going to have to get a move on there. And this is in the Cala area, which has had major redevelopment over the last few years. I made a vlog, I don't know, a few months ago, which I'll put a link above now, but behind me you can see the Oku Hotel, and then just in the background you have the Cubanito. The third hotel that I wanted to show you guys that's undergoing major refurbishment is in Cala Moro, just next door to Cala, and that is the Blau Park. And they started renovating this just at the end of last summer. This one also has a long way to go. Some of you might know this bar as the Golden Buddha Bar, and this has had to close. Unfortunately, it is one of the places that normally stays open all throughout the winter, but because of the construction, it's just not possible. There's no way they're going to get that finished for this year. Okay guys, that seems as good a place as any to leave the vlog there. I hope you've all enjoyed it. Please do let me know your thoughts on all the changes, all the construction that's going on. Are you coming out to Ibiza? Are you staying on this side of the island? Just drop me a comment in the box below. Also, if you can, just hit the like button. That would be much appreciated. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do that. Okay guys, thanks once again, and I will see you next time.